Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbud SOUNDCORE C40i on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top and click add widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it. Now tap on it. And here's 3 presets. Choose the best one for you and then click add widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Now the second option, how we can check battery percentages, is to use an application. Open it. And firstly, right here we have this information about the left one and right one earbuds and also a charging case. So I think it's much better that use a widget. And then you can tap on it and also check it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.